Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the Genshin Impact gameplay test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see, friends, and the OnePlus 80 has the Snapdragon 865 processor, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro has the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So this is a kind of processor which is recently we are seeing in a few of the smartphones. So which may not be very much close to the Snapdragon 865, but still it is better than the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor which is present in the Realme X2 Pro. So in this video, basically we'll compare the side by side which phone actually has the better graphics and much higher refresh rate and without any lag, which game in which phone it is possible to play this game continuously. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, like this punch hole wallpapers, make sure to check the links in description for this kind of amazing punch hole wallpapers. You can find so many wallpapers related to the links in description. As you can see, there are so many playlists which are created for each and every smartphone as well. So in case if you want to know more details about the smartphones, you can check the links in description for more details. So right now I did open the game first in the OnePlus 80 smartphone. So right now I'm playing with a high graphics with a 60 fps. So the FPS count meter is a inbuilt FPS count meter which will be fixed at the 60 or 120 FPS only. So you cannot see the individual FPS count readings so when it's changing. But when it's in the Realme phones, it's actually possible to see the individual FPS. But overall right now the graphics looks very smooth and very amazing. So there's no issues while playing in the OnePlus 80. So overall, the graphics are very good and very smooth. As you can see, there is not even any lag in the OnePlus 80 device. This is a OnePlus 80 I'm playing right now. So which looks completely amazing playing in this. As you can see, friends, overall the graphics, this is how it looks, the graphics in this phone in the OnePlus 80, which is really amazing. There's no issues at all in terms of playing this game in the OnePlus 80 device, as you can see here. So which is really smooth, the gameplay. So let me try to quickly show you the graphics what I'm using right now. As you can see here, 60 fps I'm trying to use the maximum settings in the OnePlus 80. So now quickly let me try to switch to the Realme X7 Pro device, so which is the same game which I downloaded in this phone, and let me try to quickly open. And one thing is that in the Realme phones, as I said, you can see the real-time FPS count on the top. So right now we'll be able to see the real-time FPS, how much you are getting in the Realme X7 Pro. In the OnePlus 80 device, you may not be able to see that kind of real-time FPS meter, but at least you will get to know how is the graphics while playing this game here. The dual speakers and the sound effects are really good while playing this kind of high graphical game. So this is a Realme phone which I am currently testing right now, playing this Genshin Impact. So let's see how this phone can actually handle that kind of higher FPS. 60 FPS I'll try to select. As you can see, friends, same location I am here. So I can feel little bit kind of jitter feeling, lag feeling when I'm trying to move around. I'm not sure, you may not be noticing in this camera, but I can feel little bit. So let me try to quickly show you the settings. Let me change the graphic settings to 60 fps. As you can see right now I'm using the 60 fps high settings. as you can see, friends. So even the Realme X1 Pro is kind of handling the game very good without not that much lag, but only you'll feel a little bit kind of small lag when you're trying to move around. Not a significant lag I'm noticing at the moment, but only little bit. So even the Realme X1 Pro is kind of handling the game very smooth without any problem. Even I think even the FPS is also maintaining around 60 FPS only throughout the game. It's trying to maintain around 60 FPS, so which is really good. As you can see, friends, the shadows and everything is perfectly visible in this phone, in the Realme X7 Pro, without any problem. So the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is also pretty much capable of handling the Genshin Impact game without much lag. As I said, there is only little bit smoothness I can feel in the OnePlus 80 device when if I compare with the Realme X1 Pro. Little bit kind of smoothness when I'm trying to see around. As you can see, friends, this is a quick gameplay review and comparison with the OnePlus 80 device. And overall, in terms of the gameplay, it's both phones are kind of equal, but only little bit kind of smoothness, which I did feel in the in the OnePlus 80 device. So that is what I felt while playing the game in both the smartphones. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.